Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
Is that your phone?
Yes, mine indeed.
Is it a smartphone?
Yes, nice smartphone.
Is the phone new?
Yes, quite new.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What color is it?
It is black.
Is black nice?
Yes, very classic.
Is the screen big?
Yes, very big.
Is the screen clear?
Yes, very clear.
What apps do you use?
Many useful apps.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Do you message friends?
Yes, always connected.
Is messaging easy?
Yes, very easy.
Do you video call?
Yes, with family.
Do you call parents?
Yes, every evening.
Do they have phones?
Yes, both do.
Is your phone fast?
Yes, very fast.
Is the camera good?
Yes, excellent camera.
Do you take photos?
Yes, many photos.
Do you edit photos?
Sometimes simple edits.
Do you use maps?
Yes, very helpful.
Does maps work well?
Yes, works perfectly.
Do you use music?
Yes, every day.
Do you have headphones?
Yes, wireless ones.
Are wireless headphones good?
Yes, very convenient.
Do you study on phone?
Yes, learning apps.
What apps do you use?
English and YouTube.
Do videos help you?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you watch daily?
Yes, 1 hour.
Is 1 hour much?
No, just right.
Do you play games?
Sometimes puzzle games.
Are games good?
Some are yes.
Is your battery good?
Yes, lasts long.
How long does it last?
About 12 hours.
Do you charge nightly?
Yes, every night.
Is night charging safe?
Yes, very safe.
Do you have a case?
Yes, protective case.
Is a case important?
Yes, prevents damage.
Did you drop it?
Yes, once before.
Did it break?
No, case helped?
Is a case worth it?
Yes, definitely. Yes,
How much did it cost?
about 300.
Is that expensive?
Medium price, okay.
Did you save up?
Yes, 3 months.
Are you happy with it?
Yes, very happy.
Would you recommend it?
Yes, great value.
What is your favorite feature?
The camera, definitely.
Do you read on phone?
Yes, sometimes books.
Is reading on phone comfortable?
A little tiring.
Do you prefer books?
Yes, for reading.
Do you check news?
Yes, every morning.
Is phone news reliable?
Usually yes. Check sources.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
Is phone shopping easy?
Yes, very easy.
Do you pay with phone?
Sometimes, yes, I do.
Is phone payment safe?
Yes, very secure.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, every morning.
Is the alarm reliable?
Yes, never missed.
How many alarms set?
Just one alarm.
Are you a heavy user?
About 2 hours daily.
Is 2 hours much?
A little, yes.
Should we limit phone time?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you set limits?
Yes, I do.
Does limiting help?
Yes, more productive.
Do you use phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, try not.
Is that bad?
Yes, affect sleep.
What do you do instead?
Read a book.
Is reading better?
Yes, much better.
Does phone distract studying?
Sometimes, yes, unfortunately.
Do you put it away?
Yes, in another room.
Does that help focus?
Yes, much better.
Is phone a good tool?
Yes, very useful.
Can phone help English?
Yes, great apps.
What English apps do you use?
Vocabulary and listening apps?
Do apps help you?
Yes, improving daily.
Will you share the app?
Yes, we'll send.
Can you send now?
Yes, sending now.
Thank you so much.
Anytime, happy to.